Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see one of the another important interview questions to find the duplicate words and their number of occurrences in a string. What does it mean? Let's see. So let's see, you have a string like bread, butter, and bread. So in this string, okay, find the duplicate word. So duplicate word is bread. And how many times it is getting occurred? 2 times. So the output should be bread 2. If you see this string Java is a Java, again Java. In this string, the Java is the only word which are getting duplicated, right? So Java is the output, and how many times occurrence is there of Java word? 3 times. Same with Superman, Batman, Spider-Man. So in these strings, super is the word that are not getting replicated, man is the word that are getting replicated, right? 3 times. So 3, even spider is not getting replicated, or number of occurrence is 1 only. So it's not a duplicate. So duplicate in this string, duplicate is only man, and the occurrence of the man word is 3 times. So how will be writing the code, okay, to implement this? So let's take the one example to take this string to find the duplicate word and their number of occurrence. Same thing will be happen this, but let's target for this. So in order to achieve that duplicate words and their occurrences, first we'll have to split the words of this string and we'll have to put into the string array. This is the first. Once that string array is ready with all these words, we'll have to iterate that string. We'll have to put that word into the hash map. If you see, this is the hash map. It looks like, right? This, the word will be the key and the value will be the number of occurrence. And start putting each word, okay, into the occurrence. And if the word are getting contained by the hash map, then we'll have to take that and have to increment that word. Okay. So before moving ahead, guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, likes, and share. So let's see the code of this. Right. So this is the main program. Here, 3 different type of string I am passing here with this method, duplicate word in string. Okay, so let's try to focus with first method only, right? Bread, butter, and bread. So duplicate word in this string is bread, right? Which occurrence is 2 times. So what we'll have to do, this is the input string, right? We're receiving the method. So we'll have to split the input string into the words. So how will you split? Using the split string method. And we are doing the splitting based upon the space and putting into the string array. Now creating the hash map with words as key and their count as a value. So this will stores, this string is a key which will stores the words, okay, an integer, this is for value, right? And now, as I told you, this words needs to iterate, right? So to check whether it's present in the hash map or not. Hash map means word count or not. So if it's present in the hash map, okay, then take that value, existing value of that key, and increment that. And obviously this will be overwritten, right? Because key cannot be we can duplicate the key. Key can be, key cannot be duplicate, so it will overwrite that, right? And the same case with else. So if hash map is not containing that word, then we'll have to persist that word and we'll have to put 1 by default, right? So first was, if you see, the first was is bread. So the bread contains, the bread is will not stored yet, so it will go to the else and it will contain the 1 value, right? Now if you go to the next, okay, go to the next is the butter word, right? So butter, again it will go to the else. Okay, if you see the and and will also come. Then again it will bread. So if you comes the bread point, then this line will get executed, because bread is already contained by this hash map. Hash map dot contains key. It's asking, is this hash map containing the word? Then yes, containing. So then I am getting that the value and incrementing that. So once that is done, okay, now we'll have to, this hash is containing all the word and its total count value, right? So if the value is more than one, it means that value is duplicated, right? So to find those duplicate value, what will you do? We will use the hash map dot key set to get the set of all keys. So it will retrieve you the keys. So it will be the unique key of all those, right? Correct? It was already unique, but this will stores the unique only, right? So let's say after that, we'll have to iterate through all words in the word count. Word count means hash that we have stored here, right? So if word count is greater than one, since we have already stored all the value of word count in the key value pair, right? So if word count get word is greater than one, then we'll print those value and it will return you. So the same case with this line also and this string also. Let's run that. If you see bread 2, Java 3, man 3, if you see here, bread is duplicate word which occurs 2 times. Java is the word which are getting duplicated and it occurs is 3 times. Man is the word which are duplicate that are occurring 3 times. So this is how you can do. So just you have to focus on how to, plus we'll have to split, and after the split we'll have to store each word into the hash map. Since hash map key cannot contain the duplicate, so value just will have to increment if that word is already in the hash key value. And after that, you will have to take the keys, okay, into the word in string, and you will have to check that key are present in that hash map. So let's say word string, it comes to the word, right? So it's the word, right? Key is the word. So if word count means the hash map object dot get word, this will return the value of that word, right? So value is greater than 1, it means the duplicate value, and that's what we are printing over here, right? So that's all, guys. So just do the practice, okay, with strings, play with strings. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you. See you in the next session.